So given that you have SPIs, a sketch of an autonomous vehicle safety argument might look like this. We think the AV is safe enough to deploy because we followed some industry safety standards, our safety culture is robust, all the known hazards have been mitigated and the residual risk is at an acceptable level, the arrival rate of unknowns is low, so we're not seeing a lot of triggering events at runtime, and the SPIs are helping us know when something weird happened that wasn't accounted for in our safety case. And the safety case has good SPI coverage, so we know that there aren't huge parts of the safety case that we have no instrumentation on. SPIs also should usually detect unknowns without an actual crash. If SPIs are working the way they're supposed to, the entire safety case has instrumentation, so you know if parts of your safety case have problems because the SPIs are telling you. But also, because the SPIs are hopefully pretty effective down in the lower depths of the safety case, you're finding out you have issues well before you get to a crash or something like that. Now, SPIs can't prevent a crash entirely, but you can hope to play the odds in which the vast majority of issues are caught by SPIs before there's a chance to get really unlucky and have the crash. To do that, not only do you need good coverage, but you have to know that historically you've been able to fix your system and mitigate unknowns before a likely reoccurrence, so you only need to see something once or twice or a few times before you fix it, rather than waiting until a crash investigation to tell you you have a problem.